I got Nintendo Switch Lite, and the customer said this console is not charging and they have no any light. So in this video I will try to fix it. The first thing, I will try to test the USB port through this special tools, and as you can see all this red line mean the USB port, I think it's broken. So I will try first to change the USB port and test it. You should disconnect the battery. Alright, so let's try to replace the USB port. A new USB port is available on our shop. Before returning the board, I will test it with the USB tester. And as you can see, they have issue with the pin number 5, 17 and 8. And that means they have a short. As you can see, they have short on these caps and also this caps. And when I check it on the diagram, this chip have some issue. So let's change the M92 chip. And the problem is still, I changed M92 twice time and the problem is still. So unfortunately this console is not fixable. If you have any idea, any questions, please leave a comment.